Daniel Craig, actor, optimist.
Pele, athlete.
Zakio, 12 years old.
Robin, comedian, cyclist, frog translator.
Leah,
Gavin,
Ailish, students.
Harrison Ford, actor, conservationist. Friend of frogs.
Justin, singer.
Denzi Dazo, simple Buddhist monk.
Rohit Chauhan, schoolboy.
William, Harry, trying to preserve the rainforests. For all of us.
Climate change is the greatest threat facing mankind. Every year, destruction of the Earth's rainforests releases more carbon dioxide into the atmosphere than all of the world's cars, planes, and ships put together. We must act now. Future generations are depending on us. Charles, Prince of Wales.
Kermit the Frog, amphibian. We need the rainforest. Everybody does.